welcome back to my channel. I finally had a moment to sit down to do this video while my 3-month-old is sleeping and my 9-year-old was in there playing Fortnite. So if you're new here, I'm so glad you've joined us, and I hope you'll stick around and watch more of my videos and see what else I'm coming up with. Today I have for you the unboxing of The Box by Fashionsta. I'm sure all of you probably have put videos up already if you received this box. I'm a little late. There's just so much going on with trying to get all the paperwork and stuff for my son, my older son, the enrollment, and then of course it's busy when you have an infant. But I'm really happy with this box. This July box was my first box. You probably have seen what the inside looks like, and I thought this was really great what they do. It says on this card, "Gratitude for being part of our glam fam. We hope you're staying healthy, happy, and hydrated. We are truly honored to be a subscription with a mission. With every box purchased, you're helping 1736 Family Crisis Center by assisting those in need in the form of makeup, beauty, and self-care goodies with intention to enhance self-confidence and self-image. 1736 Family Crisis Center is a nonprofit organization based in Los Angeles with a mission to help people through crises, including domestic violence and human trafficking." And then they have a website, 1736familycrisiscenter.org. That is great. Anytime there's a cause that they're donating part of their money from the box to. There is on the other side, it has the products and how much the products cost, and then also more about the product. Okay, the first item is We Are Wild Solid Block. This retails, it's a mineral sunscreen. It retails for $26. It says that it's appropriate for oily, dry, normal, and combination skin. It's vegan, non-toxic, cruelty-free. Has an SPF of 35 plus. So that's great. We can always use sunscreen. So even it's always a great item to have. Let me show you. Yeah, it's got the safety thing. That's pretty cool. And the next item is in this cute little box. This is the Ultimate Multi-Use, this is the Base Blue Air Sponge Full Coverage. It's $8. Flawlessly buff and blend out heavy-duty makeup formulas, foundations, and concealers. Let's see if I can get this open. Oh, it's pretty. It's not too firm. I have another sponge that's firmer than this one, but I usually, wet my sponge, and that's pretty nice. I like the shape of it. I don't know much about this company. I know that it's great to be introduced to indie products. And let's see. The next one is, now this is the from Habit. This is the Ultimate Multi-Use Cream. It's $28. A cream color-based pot made for use on lips, cheeks, and eyes. It has buildable coverage. So that is great. Oh, that is so cute. Look at that. Light pink. And then this is glass, and so that's a pretty color. Let me see how well it shows up. Oh yeah, that'd be a pretty blush or lip color. It says you can lipstick. Yeah, that's awesome. I love that color. It's very creamy. Let's see. And the next item, this is from Moon Slice. This is the Moonshine. This is a facial oil. It says that organic 18 botanical oil blend that is totally pure, which is the way your skin would have it. It does have these spray So what I usually do on this type of the pump is I'll just put, if I can get this out. Okay, it sprays. You can see that. And then I'm just going to put it on my, all I have is eyeliner on. I did take a shower, and I used that shampoo from Sol de Janeiro from the, I think I got it in my base box from BoxyCharm. It smells amazing. It smells just like the Bum Bum cream. And this smells, it smells kind of like Fruit Loops. That's funny. It has that nice fruity smell to it. My skin is so dry, especially here, here, and then right here it's pretty dry. Not so much around here, but this smells awesome. So I am happy to have that. And then we have the, from Fig and Yarrow, Eye Bright Coffee Bean Eye Cream. Okay, this is ultra-light organic hydrating cream formula to renew, protect, and hydrate the delicate eye area. This is cruelty-free. This retails for $36. So this is awesome. I'm not going to open this up because I have some eye creams open, but I will review this in a future video. And the thing that I am really excited about, this is from the Beauty Crop Sun Gazing Palette. So these indie brands, I'm just so happy to try these out. This retails for $34.50. No, I'm sorry, $24.50. $24.50. And this has 12 buttery and highly pigmented shades in 3 different finishes. There's matte, creamy, metallic, and long-wearing glitter. Certified vegan and cruelty-free. This is gorgeous. Let's see if I can open up. Okay, here we go. Look at those. Those are gorgeous. Let me show you those. It's these two that are the matte ones, and then the rest, the shimmer, and then the glitter. Let me set that down, and let me see if I can swatch. Wow, look how gorgeous that is. And then I'll let me show you one of the shimmer ones. And then let's see, let's just kind of go over the glitter finish. Those are gorgeous. I am really going to enjoy this palette. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know which comment below which product you're most excited about. Are you excited about all the products? This is definitely a great box to subscribe to. So I'm so happy to have this one. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Like I said, share, like and comment, share what your favorite products are. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.